Hello, YouTubers. This is Andy from the workstation in the Campervan. And I thought I would take a few minutes to talk about why I've gone all electric with the microwave oven and only a tea kettle. And the tea kettle is a well-insulated tea kettle. Rather than going with, say, a butane or a propane stove. Or why I don't use a lot of water. And the main reason for that, of course, is I don't have holding tanks. I keep a couple quarts of water in the refrigerator for drinking, and I keep maybe a half gallon to a gallon in the storage compartment in the rear for replenishing the water in the wash basin. So the water situation, it kind of explains itself. I don't have the holding tanks that hold a lot of water. So I got to do cooking that requires water, or no water, which means I'm using paper plates and I'm cooking in the microwave so the dishes you cook with can be thrown away. So why do I use electricity versus gas? Well, gas is, of course, much more efficient, and if you're doing a lot of cooking, you almost have to have it. But in my situation here, I've done some studies. I had an oven that heated at a relatively low rate for a short time. In other words, it's about 100 watts. But to heat anything up, you had to have it on for 20-30 minutes. I did the same studies with the same size of sample in the microwave. And there, it uses an average of 700 watts. But it only takes 5 minutes. So there's really no difference in heating things up in a microwave and heating things on a slow cooker. Well, that's about the gist of what I wanted to get across. And you can see that I now have a mount, my hand mount that I usually use when I'm doing videos outside. I've modified the stand on that, so I've got it set up here in the workstation in the Campervan. And of course, when I'm driving, I have it mounted above the dash so I can use the navigation. Anyway, that's about it for today. If you want to see more of these, press the subscribe button and come back. Bye-bye.